Hi, my name's Jason Liette. I want to give a shout out to Josh and his crew at Logan Services. Those guys did an amazing job replacing my furnace and air conditioning system. Big props to them for coming out on a Saturday. It was below zero temperatures. And when the air conditioning didn't maybe meet permit requirements, those guys got in my attic. They went above and beyond to make sure that the job was done properly. Not to mention, Logan Services beat the price of all my competitors. I also appreciate the fact that they've called back just to talk to me about how are things progressing. And I gotta say, the furnace is doing an amazing job. So thank you again, Logan Services, and I can vouch for them and say whenever I need HVAC help in the future, I'm going to Logan Services. Take care.